At the airport security.
Hello, is this the line for security?
Yes, please put your bag here.
Okay, do I take off my jacket?
Yes. Jacket and belt, please.
Do I take out my laptop?
Yes. Put it in the tray.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please walk through.
Okay, is this fine?
Yes, you are clear. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
At the taxi stand.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, where to?
To the city center, please.
Okay, get in.
How much is it?
About 15 pounds.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
At the hotel breakfast.
Good morning. Is breakfast here?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. What do you have?
Eggs, bread, fruit, and coffee.
I will have eggs and bread.
Any drink?
Yes, coffee, please.
Okay. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much.
Buying a souvenir.
Hello, how much is this t-shirt?
10 pounds.
Do you have small size?
Yes, here.
Great. Can I pay by card?
Cash only.
Okay. Here is 10 pounds.
Thank you. Here's your t-shirt.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
At the tourist information center.
Hello, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I want to see the museum.
The museum is near the park.
How do I go there?
Take bus number 10,
Where's the bus stop?
just outside to the left.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your visit.
At the beach.
Wow, the beach is beautiful.
Yes, it is. Please swim in the safe area.
Okay. Can I rent a chair?
Yes, 5 pounds.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you want an umbrella too?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your time.
Thank you.